Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's time for your daily message with the Kitchen Witch Oracle. Let's see what's in store for us today. Yeah. Dispelling fears and confusion. Let's read our incantation. I am a beacon of light, dispelling darkness and fear with my inner radiance. So we all are made up of light. And when we harness that light and we let it radiate out, it can dispel any darkness, any fear, any doubt, any negativity that comes at us, any evil forces, if you believe in that. It can dispel it. It can eliminate it from our lives. But we have to believe in that inner light without a doubt. I know we talked about that earlier in this week. We have to know that that inner light can push out and dispel anything that does not radiate on our level. And that's what this is all about. Look at her. Even her eyes are filled with light, just like the kitty's eyes. So harness that light today, and let it permeate you, radiate out, dispelling all fears, confusion, doubt, and negativity. You have it within you. We all have it within us. Let it radiate. I hope that resonated with you. I hope you have an awesome, awesome Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Blessed be.